angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome if you're new. So I have not filmed in a while, but today I'm back filming this makeup look. I just thought I would film myself getting ready today and chat to you guys a little bit, and I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for being so patient while I took a little break, but I'm so glad to be back and I'm so grateful for all of you. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and also feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at @AlohaAmy_, and I'm going to try and be a lot more active over there. Also, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and with all that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. So today I am doing my makeup, and I thought I would chat to you while I got ready because I have not filmed in the longest time and I'm so sorry about that. I know a lot of people have messaged me asking where my videos are, and if I'm honest, I've just not been feeling like filming, and I didn't really want to kind of force myself. I have tried a few times, but it's just not really been right recently. I haven't really been in the right headspace to film with everything going on. I just think that it's more important to spend time with friends and family. So that is why I took quite a big break, unexpected. I haven't been posting on Instagram and things, and I'm so sorry about that. Like, I really want to be more consistent and motivated the way that I used to be, but I've just lost my motivation and kind of like inspiration to film as well, which is so annoying. But I'm trying really hard to get back into it because I was in such a good place, but I just needed a break, and I'm feeling a little bit better now, so I thought I would film. It is a Sunday today, and I have had the most chilled Sunday. It's been lovely. Just had some pancakes for breakfast and nice coffee, and I've been cleaning and tidying and just kind of organising my life. I feel like I've been spending a lot of time organising and tidying. So just to catch you up on my life, I have just been kind of spending time with friends and family. It's so important, and I've missed everyone so much, so it's been so nice being able to kind of catch up with people a little bit. The foundation that I'm using is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. This is my all-time favourite. I really like it, and I'm just applying that with Real Techniques sculpting brush. My skin has been so bad recently, especially around my mouth, my chin, because masks obviously. So I've been doing a lot of face masks and trying to kind of combat that. Then concealer for under my eyes, I'm going to use the Collection Lasting Perfection. This is in the shade Extra Fair 4, so they repackaged these and put, I think it might be a new formula, but it's really good, still as good as the last formula, and I really like these. And what I do for like spots and things is I mix lighter shade and darker shade together, and just kind of, depending on how tanned I am, mix the shade that I need. And I always use the light one under my eyes.
Yeah.
So next I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to use a few different setting powders. I'm going to use the Too Faced Cocoa Contour and a Real Techniques contour brush. So I use the light and the medium highlight and pop that under my eyes, and I love this powder. I just find it really brightens up the skin, and I feel like it kind of gives a nice kind of blurred filter-like appearance on the skin, which I definitely need. And I put that on my forehead, my nose, around my nose, and then on my chin a little bit. And then on the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Real Techniques buffing brush and take a pressed powder, and this is the Collection Primed and Ready Illuminating Setting Powder. I'm going to pop that all over the rest of my face. So I'm going for a very full coverage look at the moment because that's necessary. And then in order to really cover all of these annoying spots, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Minerals Powder Foundation. I use the shade Golden Ivory, and this is one of the best powder foundations that I've used. And I'm just taking a small brush and I'm going to just pop that on certain areas that I need extra coverage. If I'm in a hurry, I will just use some concealer and just this foundation, and that works really nicely as well. So now my face looks so one colour. I need to add some dimension back in, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and the Real Techniques Gel Fibre Face Brush. This is my favourite bronzer brush. Popping that all over my face. This is such a good bronzer. It smells really good too. So since lockdown has kind of been lifted slightly, and I've not been filming, I have just been kind of chilling and also going on nice little days out and things with people, which has been really nice. I've also been back at work, so that's another reason I've not really been filming. I've been quite busy at work and just so tired when I come home. It's just been nice being able to go on nice days out and things and visit different places in Scotland and have like picnics and nice things like that. So that's been really nice and has made me quite happy. So next I'm going in with some blush, and I use the shade Snow Kissed from the Too Faced Christmas collection, and I use this pretty much every day. It's just like a nice kind of light pink matte that kind of goes with every eye look. Never used to like blush, but I love it now. I just think it looks really pretty. Then I'm going to go in with some highlight, and I'm using the Angel Wings highlight from the Too Faced Christmas palette. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, and I had a few people message me about this because apparently you can't get it anymore, and I had a little look and I can't find it anywhere either, and that's so sad because it is my favourite palette. Okay, so I use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I got my hair done the other day and I really like how it looks. Like I cut quite a bit off it, like maybe about 4 inches. Probably no one has noticed because my hair was that long anyway, but it does feel much healthier. But I've just tied it back in a kind of low bun today because I think it kind of suits the dress that I'm wearing, which I will show you in a minute once I'm ready. But I've just put that primer on, and then I'm just going to pop a bit of the setting powder onto my lids. I'm so sad if this has been discontinued because honestly, it's so pretty. And I'm almost out of my favourite colour here, Satin Sheets, and it's like the one that I'm using for today's look, like my kind of go-to look. So I was hoping that this was still available because I was going to buy this palette again, but apparently not. So I'm taking the shade Almond Truffle, which is this brown kind of shade here, and I'm just popping that through my crease. Hope you guys are all doing well. I had missed chatting to you, but I'm going to try and film more and chat more on Instagram and things. So there we go, and then what I do is I take some sort of spray, and then I take a flat brush and then spray it, and then dip it into the Satin Sheets colour, and it's just the most gorgeous pinky champagne metallic colour, and I love it. And I pop that all over my lid. So if you guys are wondering what is on my nails, I have a new nail polish and I put it on Instagram. I think the brand is called My Mood London and this colour is called Cam or Be Cam or something like that, and I found it in Boots and it was only £5 and it is amazing. Like, it lasts at least a week on my nails and I'm so impressed by it because my nails always chip and it's so annoying. So this is really great nail polish and I'd definitely recommend it, and this baby pink colour is just perfect for me. I'm going to go back in with the crease brush and back in with almond truffle and then just blend that into the crease again to buff the edges out and also kind of into the inner corner a little bit, or the outer corner a little bit. Then I'm curling my lashes. And then I'm going to apply some of my favourite mascara. How good is that mascara? Like, it's amazing. And then for my bottom lashes, I use the Natural Collection waterproof mascara because my mascara always transfers onto my bottom lashes unless it's a waterproof one. But before that, I should really put some eyeshadow on under my eyes. I'm just going to take Almond Truffle again on a fluffy brush and pop that under my eyes. Then I'm just going to be brushing through my brows and just taking a brow pencil and just filling them in really lightly. I just take the pencil at the front of my brow, just kind of underneath, and draw a little line. And then up above I draw a line as well, and then I just do that. And then I take my brow brush and I brush that out so it's nice and blended. Some days I just pop some brow gel in my brows and that is it. Some days I also just brush through them and call it a day, but I feel like when I have more makeup on I need to kind of balance it out by filling them in a little. But I still like them to be quite natural because I don't like them super heavy. The brow pencil that I used there was the Collection one and I use the shade Blonde. And then I'm also taking the Blonde one Incredibrow from Collection, and it's just their brow gel, and I just pop that through. Brush my brows upwards so that they look more fluffy and natural. For my lips, I'm not sure what to use yet. I'm going to put on some Vaseline to start with. My lips have been so dry lately. I think it's like because it's in between seasons. And I always find my skin and my lips get much more dry. So to finish off for lips, I was going to use my Fenty gloss, but I can't find it anywhere, so I'll need to have a look for that. But I think instead I'm going to use the Soap & Glory Ultra Smoothing Lip Oil, and then this is a kind of pinky berry shade. It's very pretty and it's just an oil, so it's a very slight tint, and I really like this. The Soap & Glory very kindly sent this to me a few weeks ago and I've been loving it. Just very moisturising and nourishing and exactly what I need right now with my lips being so dry. So that is my makeup complete. Just got my hair in a low bun with a pearl clip at the side, and then my jewellery today, these necklaces are from Swarovski and my earrings are just little diamond studs, and then my ring is from a jeweller's in Hawaii called Maui Divers Jewellery. Love it, and it's got the beautiful pink pearl in it. And then my entire outfit is from Hollister, this cardigan, which I just recently got. I love it, and I found this in Hollister and I think it's so cute. It's kind of cropped and it's this gorgeous cable knit pattern. It matches so many of my things and I love it. And then with that I'm just wearing this midi dress, which is a kind of wrap dress with this really cute pattern, and this is what it's like at the top because it's kind of difficult weather to judge at the moment. It's kind of hot outside but it looks kind of cold, so I'm going for a more summery vibe today, but I'm going to pair this with my Converse, so I'll go and show you them. I really love wearing cute girly dresses with Converse, and my boyfriend just got me these gorgeous Cons which I'm obsessed with. I love the colour, it's so cool. It's like kind of pinky purple and it looks really cute with this dress. So that is my outfit for today and my makeup and my hair, and once again I'm so sorry for not filming for so long. I just wanted to focus on my family and my friends, my boyfriend, and kind of being happy, focusing on my own happiness, feeling more like myself because I'm getting out and about more, getting into a little bit more of a routine, and hopefully will film some more videos for you throughout the week if I can in between work. But yeah, again, so sorry for not filming. Hopefully that's me back, but thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you being so patient while I took my break, and I just love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!